In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch buy it now listings to auction style listings on eBay. Whether you're looking to add a sense of urgency to your sales or want to engage a larger audience, transforming your listings from a stagnant buy it now format to an exciting auction style can be a fantastic strategy. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your eBay account. If you don't have an account yet or need to remember your password, take a moment to get that sorted, as having access is crucial for managing your listings. Once you're logged in, head over to the My eBay section found at the top right corner of the home page. Hover over it, and from the drop down click on Selling. This is your hub for managing all your selling activities on eBay. Now that you're on the selling page, find and select Active under the listing section. This will bring up all the items you currently have listed for sale. Take a moment to scroll through and identify the listings you aim to convert to auctions. This step is essential because selecting only the relevant listings will save you time and effort down the line. To proceed, check the box beside each listing you want to change. This feature allows you to select single or multiple listings at once, making bulk editing a breeze. If you're dealing with several listings, this step can significantly speed up the process, ensuring you're efficient with your time. Next, look for the Actions drop-down menu. It's typically located towards the top right of your listings management page. Click on this drop-down and from the list select Change to Auction. At this moment, a prompt might appear to review your changes or confirm any fees associated with auction listings, so make sure to read any notifications carefully before proceeding. And there you have it. With just these few straightforward steps, you've successfully altered your listings to auction style. Keep in mind that auctions generally attract more bidders and can often lead to higher final prices compared to buy it now listings. It's a great way to drive interest and competition, ultimately helping you make the most out of your item's perceived value. Remember, frequent evaluations of your selling strategies on platforms like eBay can pave the way to increased sales success. So don't hesitate to test this method out and see how it works for you. Ensure you regularly adapt based on what kind of feedback and results you get from potential buyers. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on efficiently using eBay and other online selling platforms. Thanks for watching and happy selling.